Every new machining project needs a fresh start, with many factors to be considered for the desired outcome. With every new order, questions arise. Which tool should I use for the best results? How can I make sure I have the correct cutting data? How can I make the production efficient without endless trial and error? Walter GPS holds all the answers for you. Walter GPS is a unique software that can provide you with tool recommendations and the appropriate cutting data. By simply entering your prerequisites, the results are reliable and adjustable to your needs. Start by entering or selecting the material that you want to machine. Select the respective task and set your application parameters. The results are in. Now you can review the Walter GPS recommendations and select the tool you would like to use. Every suggestion comes with a detailed description, the appropriate cutting data, and the option for adjustments. Once you decide on your preferred solution, you can download your cutting data and order the tool. With Walter GPS, you can start your new project today. Are you ready to try?